Okay, hello everyone. Our group name is Data Dynamos, and our group members are Shuchan Zhou, Ruixue, and Yishan Wang. Today we are going to do the presentation for our lab 6, which is for PDF chatbot. And this is our readme about how to run the code. First, we navigate to this directory, and then we want to set a virtual environment. We just call it vent, and we need to activate this environment. And okay, then inside here, this is what we did, and the requirement txt, and the requirements txt includes the package that we need. So in this virtual environment, we need to PIP to install this. Okay, now all the requirements are already satisfied. And before we do the demo to run the app, we are going to introduce about our main script. Okay.
Let's start with the essential imports we use in our code. We import various libraries to handle environment variable, PDF reading, text splitting, and chat functionalities. This also helps us suppress warning to keep our output clean. We load our environment variables to access sensitive information like API keys without hard coding them. The first function we have is designed to extract text from the uploaded PDF documents. It iterates through each PDF file, reads its page, and compiles the extracted text into a single string. This text is crucial for our application. Next, we split the large text into smaller, manageable chunks. We defined how to text should be split, allowing for a chunk size of 500 characters with an overlap of 100 characters. This overlapping context helps maintain continuity in conversations. Okay.
Okay, let's move on to the next function, which creates a vector store for our text chunks using OpenAI embeddings. This function checks if we have available text chunks, generates embeddings for them, and creates a vector store that allows for efficient similarity searches. Next, we have a function that sets up the conversation chain. This creates an instance of the OpenAI model and configures the memory to store our chat history. The conversation chain retrieves relevant text chunks based on user queries. We also have a function that processes user input. It takes the user's question, processes it through our conversation chain, and updates the chat history. It formats the output to display user and bot messages in the Streamlit interface. Finally, the main function is where the core of our application resides. It sets up the Streamlit function, manages user input, and handles uploaded PDF documents. This function ensures that users can interact with our chatbot effectively.
Okay, and here we mentioned that we use use the GPT-4 API, and yeah, in the Okay. So now we are going to do the demo, and and yeah. Okay. So now the web page is open, and when we click the browse file, we can upload the PDF. And when we click processing, okay, then we can see the embedding of each chunk being printed here. Now, the spiral disappear, which means it is finished processing. And let's ask the PDF, the chatbot some questions. First is summarize the content of this PDF, and we see it is running to give the answers. And this is the summary of the content. And we can ask him some specific questions about inside this PDF. For example, we can ask what is tuning? And yeah, this is his answer, and we can see that it matches where we here. And talk about optimization. This is the answer, and we can see that it's very similar to the PDF content here. Okay. Okay. So we can see that inside the folder we have listed. Inside this list we can see the env file, and when we open it, we can see that we have entered the OpenAI key for the API we use inside here, so that when we were talking about our script, yeah, here we just need to load this, and the yeah the API key was called using the OS environment. And when we do the demo before, here the user and both the question and the answer are also printed in our terminal. So for us to see this more clearly. Okay, thank you. We have finished our presentation.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.